Alright guys, just in case you see us cleaning a lot, we're just taking precautions to make sure that we do our best to limit the spread of the coronavirus. Now, always bear in mind that this is more of a logistical issue than anything else. The more that we can delay the spread, the less load will be placed on our NHS and emergency services. So we're just doing our best to make sure that we're doing as much as possible to slow the spread and limit the spread. You might also catch us asking you to wash your hands before your appointment, whether that's for training or for treatment. We're not trying to say that you're contaminated or anything like that. Once again, we're just taking precautions to make sure that it doesn't spread. So please don't take offence if we ask you to wash your hands before your appointment, and if we're frantically just cleaning up the services after your appointment in the treatment rooms or the gym. Thanks for watching, and I wish you all the best.